Chuck Schumer announcing that Obamacare is here to stay, and now they're going to try to make it bigger.
And once again today, the United States Supreme Court, in a 7-2 ruling, upheld the Affordable Care Act in the face of another legal challenge. So let me say definitively, the Affordable Care Act has won. The Supreme Court has just ruled the ACA is here to stay. And now we're going to try to make it bigger and better.
Now, joining us to talk about this ruling and talk about what it means to conservatives, I want to bring in Independent Women's Forum board member and former New York Congresswoman Nan Hayworth. So, Nan, I want you to break this down for me a little bit. I want you to help me and the viewers understand this a little bit. I'm going to be honest, a lot of people don't quite understand why conservatives are so against Obamacare. And I want you to give me the perspective on why it's such a disaster and then what this Supreme Court ruling means.
Sure. Well, Rob, I'm fortunate in having a perspective as a physician who also practiced for 16 years. And so I've experienced a lot of with my patients, a lot of the challenges of America's health insurance system, which is not efficient or effective in all too many ways. And that was true before Obamacare. But the problem for all of us is that Obamacare has not made things better. Obamacare has made insurance more expensive instead of less. It's piled on requirements for people like you, let's say, Rob. If you don't have kids and you're a young person, you still have to pay in your Obamacare premiums for pediatric dentistry. If you're not someone who's going to be having a baby, you have to pay for maternity care.
So what you're saying to me, so I want to just jump in. So what you're saying is that, so the left is always talking about, we're going to be here for broke millennials, we're going to be here for young people, but Obamacare, which is their signature thing, is actually making healthcare more expensive for young people.
Much more expensive, much more expensive. There is a way to make it less expensive, but Obamacare isn't that way. The way to make insurance less expensive is to do what folks like John Goodman, and I urge everyone to check out what the Independent Women's Forum, the Goodman Institute for Public Policy Research, Heritage Foundation, all of us work together on ideas to make healthcare more affordable. But basically the way you do it is by giving people more control over their own dollars and more choice. Obamacare made health savings accounts, and those are dollars that you can put away, Rob, and you can then use on insurance plans the way you think you should spend them. They made health savings accounts harder to get, harder to fund. Why? There's really no good reason other than that Obamacare was a gigantic gift to, frankly, to big insurers, to big health systems, to big hospital entities.
Hey, thanks so much for watching The First on YouTube. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and like and subscribe. You heard me. Like it, subscribe. You'll get a lot more of it and a lot more of me. Thanks.